In this video, we will explore probably the most interesting topic in the world, human immortality. The idea of immortality has fascinated humans for centuries, with myths and legends telling tales of people living for hundreds, if not thousands of years. In recent times, however, advances in medicine, genetics, and technology have brought the prospect of human immortality closer to reality than ever before. We will examine in detail all the scientific and technological developments that could lead to humans living forever, as well as the challenges and ethical considerations that come with such a prospect. Let's first talk about the science behind immortality. The key to achieving immortality lies in understanding the aging process. Aging is a complex phenomenon that involves a range of biological processes, including DNA damage, telomere shortening, oxidative stress, and cellular senescence. Over time, these processes accumulate and lead to a decline in cellular and organismal function, ultimately resulting in death. To achieve immortality, we need to find ways to slow down or reverse these aging processes. One promising area of research is the study of telomeres. Telomeres are the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, and they play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of our DNA. As we age, our telomeres gradually shorten, and this can lead to a range of age-related diseases. Researchers are exploring ways to lengthen telomeres artificially, potentially slowing down the aging process and extending human lifespan. Another exciting area of research is the study of cellular senescence. Cellular senescence is a process by which cells stop dividing and enter a state of permanent growth arrest. This process is thought to play a role in the aging process, as senescent cells can accumulate in our bodies over time and contribute to age-related diseases. Researchers are exploring ways to clear out senescent cells, potentially extending human lifespan. Genetic engineering is also a promising avenue for achieving immortality. Scientists are studying the genetics of long-lived species, such as lobsters, turtles, and whales, to identify the genes and pathways that contribute to their extended lifespans. By manipulating these genes in humans, researchers hope to extend human lifespan and potentially achieve immortality. In addition to medical and genetic interventions, technology could also play a role in achieving immortality. Let's see what technological solutions we could pursue to enable humans to live forever. One approach is to create digital copies of human brains, allowing individuals to live on in virtual reality after their physical bodies have died. This concept, known as mind uploading, is still in the realm of science fiction, but some researchers believe it could be a reality within the next few decades. Another approach is to use nanotechnology to repair and maintain the body at the cellular level. Nanobots could be programmed to travel through the body, repairing damaged cells and tissues and removing harmful substances. This could potentially extend human lifespan and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Before we pursue any of those, however, we first need to take a break and consider something else. While the prospect of immortality is exciting, it also raises a range of ethical and societal considerations. One concern is the potential for immortality to exacerbate existing social and economic inequalities. If only the wealthy can afford to access immortality technology, it could create a permanent underclass of mortal individuals, and almost a ruling class of godlike people who just keep getting wealthier and wealthier. There are also concerns about overpopulation and the strain that extended lifespans could place on resources and the environment. If people continue to reproduce at the same rate, but live much longer, it could lead to a significant increase in the global population, putting even more strain on resources and exacerbating issues like climate change. Another ethical concern is the potential for loss of identity and sense of self. If individuals could live on indefinitely in virtual reality, it raises questions about what it means to be human and whether our consciousness can truly be replicated digitally. While the prospect of human immortality is exciting, it is important to approach it with caution and consideration. The scientific and technological advances that could lead to immortality also raise a range of ethical, social, and environmental considerations that must be carefully considered. Additionally, there are still many scientific and technical hurdles to overcome before immortality can become a reality. Despite these challenges, there is no doubt that the quest for immortality will continue to drive scientific and technological innovation. As our understanding of the aging process improves and new technologies emerge, it is possible that we will eventually achieve the dream of human immortality. However, it is crucial that we approach this prospect with careful consideration and thoughtful analysis, taking into account the potential risks and benefits for individuals, society, and the planet as a whole. In the meantime, there are many steps that individuals can take to improve their health and potentially extend their lifespan, such as eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and avoiding harmful habits like smoking and excessive drinking. By taking these steps, we can all work towards living longer, healthier, and more fulfilling lives, even if true immortality remains beyond our grasp. In conclusion, the prospect of human immortality is a fascinating and exciting one, and the scientific and technological advances that could lead to its achievement are truly remarkable. However, we must approach this prospect with caution and careful consideration, taking into account the potential risks and benefits for individuals, society, and the planet as a whole. Ultimately, the quest for immortality is a deeply human one, driven by our desire to understand and control the world around us, and it will continue to drive scientific and technological innovation for generations to come. What are your thoughts about human immortality? Let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more futuristic content. We recommend to continue with our video on the 10 ways the future will be just amazing.